All right, number one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundred. 1, 2, 3, 4. $140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's stop there. 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. On to legato. So this guy, if you didn't notice, it's the exact same thing as the second legato exercise you worked on this past week. Just moved up 1 octave higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you didn't notice, go back and watch how I'm picking that. Basically just letting the pick fall where or however feels most natural. Totally fine to do with legato because it's really fret hand work. Fret hand is putting everything in its place. Alright, 60 beats per minute. Get some slides going for number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try the repeats here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's hard. Alright. So reminder about the scales. You know, memorize like one line at a time until you can start with doing. So you got that memorized. No need to bother with anything else. You gotta get every little piece memorized one step at a time, or it won't get memorized. Remember, if you want to memorize a page in a book, you don't just keep reading the page over and over and over again, hoping that you memorize it. You learn one sentence at a time. All right. This guy. So this is just another example, chord progression stuff. Now the way this is set up, and I wish I had the other set up this way, but kind of trying out some new things these days. Taking stuff that I learned from working with people and trial and error, seeing what works best. So, what I have going on here is basically what you were working on. We got different progression. Now we got the 6, 4, 1, 5, using those movable shapes. So, with this, it's way easier to see how these chords move from one to the next. What I mean by that is how we go from number 6 to number 4, chord 1 to 5, so like the 6, 4, 1, 5, back to the 6. The number of steps or frets that we take to get from one chord to the next is the exact same number of steps we go for each key. So like going from the A minor chord, we go down 2 whole steps or a major third to the F chord. To go to the C chord, or chord number 1, we go up a string and up 2 frets. We go from the 1 to the 5, we drop it down 1 string. And then go up a whole step to hit that A minor again. That's exactly what's happening here. Same amount of steps, same distance every time. So this is showing how this progression can be done basically the exact same way, just move to a different starting point on the guitar. And then down here, we have the same progression again, but how we can move the exact same way in the 3 keys again, but starting on the A string. So being aware of how we can do this sort of thing can help us see these progressions much more quickly, more easily. So all you got to do is run through them. Just run through them, one and done, and you're good. All right, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.